Minister in charge of CNRD, A.T. Mondal, has informed that many of the job card holders under MGNREGA in Meghalaya have not yet linked their job card with Aadhaar as per the union government's directive, and this has created a lot of problems. He said that majority of the share under MGNREGA for Meghalaya comes from the central government, and since elections are quite long, the issue of releasing of funds for the job card holders have become a big problem.
You mentioned those in your letter.
Yeah, but one big problem we are facing is that Aadhaar-based payment system. This is creating a lot of problem for us because many of the job card holders have not linked their job card with Aadhaar. So now Government of India has made it mandatory to have all job cards to be linked with Aadhaar. So this is a lot of problems. We requested our Honorable Chief Minister to write to concerned minister. He has already written, and very recently I have again written to him. This is one challenging factor we got to see till all the job cards are being linked to Aadhaar card.
Numerous